Hey guys, Jennifer Nash here, and I want to welcome you guys to the Empire, which is inside of Pruvit. We are the Empire, which is our group, and our group is led by our leader, Jessie Lee Ward. And so, yeah, I just wanted to kind of get on here and give you guys a quick overview on how you guys can get started easily. That is going to kind of help you understand how to go through step by step to get started. And even being sent to the new promoter video so that Jessie Lee does. But this is going to help you guys understand the three groups and how they work, and then how you guys can get into your training and go through them step by step, and then understanding more about how we work as the Empire, our team. So I want to give you guys a warm welcome. Welcome to Pruvit. I'm so glad you guys joined us, and I'm just going to show you guys the three groups and go over them very easily. So this is my main page. Most of our training we do all on Facebook. Most of the money we make is all on Facebook. It actually seems real simple, and actually once you get the hang of it, it really is. So it's all about giving people value. Therefore, they look into you, check out what you're doing. They want information about ketones, ketosis, losing weight, feeling good, all the good things. And so this is what we do. When we do get people that are interested, we have three different groups, okay? The first group I want to share with you guys, which you guys are probably part of already, is Simple Proven Results. Simple Proven Results is basically our sales page. This is where we invite people that are interested in ketones, ketosis, our recipes, anything that we do that we put on our main page, and people are like, oh, questioning me or you. When you put up your posts, you would say, hey, and use the scripts, and I'll show you guys where the scripts are. You would invite them to this page. This page has all of our recipes, all of our information about ketones, how they work. We have doctors on here. We have posts about people's experiences, people with everything from like fibromyalgia to PCOS and ongoing problems. Some people have had the gastric sleeve and that are used ketones. And so what you'd want to do is you'd want to go through here. You'd want to invite them. So you click this button right here. You would type in their name and it will tag them immediately, but they have to come to this page to actually accept in order to be part of it. So the other thing I wanted to tell you about this page is anyone that you invite is yours. That person is the person that they will be sent to you if they have any questions. All of our team is trained to direct people back to the person that they have added. So like we can't take somebody, like you can't take somebody that I added or that somebody else added. You would only concentrate on actually selling and talking to the people that you added personally. So we don't take each other's people. They all belong to a certain person, and all of us that are in here can backtrack and see who they belong to. So don't worry about that for now. We'll get into that later, but make sure whoever you added, you might want to keep a log and write it down and make sure they're yours. Second of all is We Prove It. We Prove It is our page that if someone wants to become a promoter or they're curious about how we run our business, this has all the information in here. We welcome all of our new promoters in here. We celebrate all of them that rank up as they rank up. We also have information in here. I think it's under announcements. We have information about all the sales of our packs, being a promoter. Jessie Lee also gives us all a warm welcome. You would tag your friend in that. There's also information about tips from working from home and so on. We also have videos in here on, our compensation plan and how our business works and what our training is, stuff like that. So this is a very helpful page. If you have someone that wants to be a promoter, make sure you add them. And also the people that have joined, make sure you celebrate them in here. So the third page is the Empire. Now the Empire is the only page that you can get invited to. You can only get access to, if you become an actual promoter. You pay your promoter fee and you get your kit. Now, Jessie Lee is the only one that will screen you to make sure you get accepted into this, and she makes sure in the back office through Pruvit that you are actually on our team. So we can't add people in here. We can invite them, but then she has to screen them. So so make sure you get your people in here that become promoters. So this is the most important page. This is the page that you're going to spend most of your time on to learning about our business and going through step by step. Super, super important. The first thing that I'm going to do, which I might have done already, is I add you to the announcements. So the announcements are very important to get started. Jessie Lee has a new promoter training every single month on the first of the month. It's pre-recorded and it's live. So the first of the month, every month, it's live. You can join that. I probably have sent you an invite to it. If not, if you join on, say, the 3rd, I would tag you in this month's promoter training. So you want to make sure this is the first thing you look at and you listen to all the way through. Take some notes. And usually we ask for 3 giveaways or takeaways, I'm sorry. And then you'd go down here and you'd join the Telegram chats. Telegram is a free app. It's a texting app that Jessie Lee uses and a lot of us use as groups. So they are rank chats where you actually join it's a chat where most people that are at your level are in. So there's different levels to join, and you'll see as you click down here, 15 boxes a month, 30 boxes a month, 60 boxes a month. It depends on how many boxes you want to reach for your goals. So you would join whatever particular rank chat that is for you. And so you're all with like-minded people, all on the same page and growing together. That's super important. Let's see, the other thing, Empire Games, which is collaboration and stuff like that Jessie Lee does. That's another fun thing. But the most important thing is watching this new promoter training and then going to the units. The units is the absolute most important step-by-step thing that you guys want to do. The units is going to take you step-by-step how to set up your business, how to sell your trials, how to pack your trials, how to charge for your trials, how to post on your Facebook page, how to sell, how to get people interested in what you're doing, how to do live videos. I mean, it is full of a plethora of things, and you guys, it's so important that you go through the units step by step. Inside the units is Betty the Bot, which is the getting started. It's an actually robot message system that actually will have you do different tasks, and then you have to have passwords to get to the next task. If I don't have the password for you, I will make sure I get the password for you. They vary depending on what you are doing. So reach out to me once you start going through Betty the Bot, and if I don't have a password, I will get you a password from Jessie Lee. So the other thing is once you go through these step by step, I just want to share with you guys really quickly. Here's the rules. So once you go through them step by step, you will see at the bottom it says done. You want to make sure you click those as you finish so you know that you have done them, completed them. The other thing that I wanted to tell you is every month I actually come back in here and I actually suggest to my people that they come back in here and go through these steps step by step, just kind of refresh your brain. Usually once a month. Usually I do it at the beginning of the month, at the very end of the month, to refresh myself for the next month to reach higher goals. So anyways, that is how you guys get started. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. But the Empire is full of everything you'll need to get started. And if you do it step by step, you guys won't miss a beat. And I'm always here to help you. So please reach out. All right. You guys have a super day and welcome to the Empire with Pruvit. Can't wait for you to get started.